Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make text stand out by making it see-through in Canva? Let's dive in. Click the Create button to start a new design. In the options that appear, select Custom Size. Set the width to 300 pixels and the height to 300 pixels, then confirm or apply your changes. This will create a new blank canvas at the selected dimensions. Next, we'll add text to this canvas. Locate the Text tool, often labeled as text or shown with the T icon, in the left sidebar or main tool panel. Click the Text tool to open the text options. Choose the text style or simply add a basic text box to your canvas. Position the text box where you prefer. You can now type your desired message or label directly into the text box on your canvas. Click the Transparency option in the menu. Then, adjust the transparency slider until it reaches 50%. This will make your selected element more see-through, allowing the background or other elements to show through clearly. Now, select the item you want to duplicate. Right-click, then choose Duplicate from the context menu. Select the item you want to remove, then press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and choose Delete from the menu. Confirm the deletion if prompted, and the item will be removed. To print this document to the front, locate the print settings in your software. Select the option labeled Print to Front or Front Side. Confirm your selection, then click the Print button to begin printing to the front side only. Next, we'll update this setting. Locate the option labeled Settings in the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on it to open the Settings panel. Now, scroll down until you find the section that needs to be modified. Click on the field you want to change, enter the new value, and make sure it's correct. Once you've made your changes, press Save to apply the new setting successfully. When you're finished, click the Download button. Choose Save as PNG to get a high-quality image. Next, set the size to maximum to ensure the best resolution for your graphic. For images without backgrounds, be sure to click Transparent Background. Once these settings are selected, confirm your choice to start the download and save your high-quality, transparent PNG image to your device. You've learned to make transparent text in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tricks.